Yes, children. Now this is the choose the correct options, and this exercise is given at the last of the chapter. Means after the completion of chapter, this is given in the form of choose the correct options. And children, one thing I want to tell you, that any of the exercise can't come as it is, which is given in the form of fill in the blanks or choose the correct or true or false. Any of the question can come in any of the way. Means choose the correct can come in the form of fill in the blanks, or fill in the blanks can come in the form of choose the correct answers or one word answers, or we can say true or false. Means you have to know the answer, then only you can write the answer. And don't depend only on exercises, you should read full chapter also. Okay, some of the questions will come inside the book also, means inside the chapter also some of the questions we will give you. It can be 1 mark, means 1 mark questions, or fill in the blanks, like match the following. In this way they can come in between the chapter also. Okay, so let's read. Choose the correct option. First one is, name the set of teeth that develops after about 6 years. First option is baby teeth, second is milk teeth, third is permanent teeth, and fourth is primary teeth. Children, you know that after 6 years, when any child becomes 6 year old, that time that milk teeth shed off and permanent teeth develops in every child. Okay, so you know this happened with you also, so that's why you can understand better that permanent teeth can come at the age of 6 year or after the age of 6 year. So right option is permanent teeth. Second is, after ingestion the food passes through a hollow muscular tube. This structure is called liver, pancreas, gallbladder, or alimentary canal. So children, it is alimentary canal, because after ingestion, means when ingestion, what is ingestion? When we put food in our mouth, so that is called ingestion. Okay, and after that ingestion food passes to alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means just I'll show you that digestive system we have studied in this chapter. This full tube, hollow tube like structure which is present here in the form of esophagus. After esophagus comes in the stomach, and after stomach it comes to the small intestine, and after small intestine then again it will go to the large intestine. So this is a tube like structure, and this full structure is called alimentary canal, or we can say digestive system. So this hollow structure is called alimentary canal, and about that they have written here. Okay, so right option is alimentary canal, because after ingestion food passes through this alimentary canal. So third is, food in mouth is grinded into small pieces by teeth, saliva, lips, or fourth option is tongue. You know that which part grinded the food pieces into small means small parts? That is teeth only. Teeth can only grind the food in the mouth. So fourth is, name the big sac like structure that receives food from the food pipe. Means food pipe means esophagus. From esophagus, what receives the food? Stomach. Stomach is the part which receives the food, which is a big sac like structure, and it receives food from the food pipe, which is called esophagus. Not tongue. Tongue, mouth and liver, these are incorrect. Correct option is stomach. So fifth is bile juice is stored in dash: stomach, salivary glands, rectum, and last option is gallbladder. So bile juice is always stored in gallbladder. Children, what is gallbladder? We can see here through this diagram. I'll show you. In the digestive system, you can see this is called gallbladder. Okay, and this is a small part which is attached to the this gland. This is a liver, this pinkish color which is visible here marked also. This is liver, and gallbladder is always attached to the liver, and bile juice is produced from the liver, but it is temporarily stored in this gallbladder. It is just a dropper like structure, and as the food enters in our stomach or in the small intestine, from stomach it enters to the small intestine, this gallbladder starts secretion in the form of bile juice. Okay, so this means bile juice is stored in this gallbladder. Understand? So this bile juice is they are talking about in that. Choose the correct answers. Okay, so bile juice is stored in gallbladder. Understand? So children, this is all about this exercise of your chapter number 2. Okay.